Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to rename a laptop on Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my laptop. Now to rename laptop, first of all go to Start and over here search for About. On the top you will find this About Your PC. Click on this and over here you'll find this interface. Now under this device specifications, you can find rename this PC. Click on this and over here you can see your current PC name. This is my current PC name. Now to rename, just enter your name over here. Now I'll rename my PC as TrendTechGuide. You can see this is my PC name, TrendTechGuide, and I'll click on this next. And now you can see rename of my PC is successful. Now to make this name visible on a laptop, you must restart your laptop. As soon as you restart, our PC's name will be changed. So for now, I'll do this later. As I have clicked that, I'll do it later. You can see here TrendTechGuide after the restart. That means my device name will be changed to TrendTechGuide after I restart. So in this way, we can rename our laptop or PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.